Welcome to the fascinating realm of small-scale woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to refine your skills, woodworking offers endless possibilities for creating beautiful and functional pieces. From charming decor items to practical furniture, small projects allow you to express your artistic vision while developing essential woodworking techniques. This journey is not just about making items. It's about discovering the joy of transforming raw materials into something uniquely yours. To fully immerse yourself in the world of small-scale woodworking, we encourage you to stay until the end of this video. By doing so, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of the techniques and ideas that can elevate your crafting skills. If you find the content helpful and inspiring, please consider subscribing to our channel for more woodworking tips and project ideas. Your support means a lot and helps us continue creating valuable content for fellow crafters. Additionally, don't forget to like this video and share with friends or family who might be interested in woodworking. Together, we can build a vibrant community of makers who celebrate creativity and craftsmanship. As you embark on this woodworking adventure, you'll find that the process is just as rewarding as the final product. Each cut, joint, and finish contributes to your growth as a crafter. You'll learn to appreciate the nuances of different wood types, explore various tools and techniques, and even consider the environmental implications of your work. This guide will help you navigate the world of small wooden furniture and decor, providing inspiration and insight as you cultivate your skills and possibly even turn your passion into a profitable venture. Let's get started on this rewarding journey together. Small-scale woodworking offers an exciting entry point for beginner crafters looking to explore their creativity while developing practical skills. Unlike larger projects, which can be daunting and require significant time and resources, small wooden furniture and decor projects allow crafters to experiment without overwhelming complexity. These projects can range from simple decorative items to functional pieces, providing a versatile canvas for your woodworking journey. Understanding wood types before diving into projects, it's essential to understand the different types of wood available. Raw wood, such as pine, oak, and maple, are popular choices for beginners due to their availability and workability. Each type has its unique characteristics, affecting the final appearance and durability of your projects. Organic wood, often sourced sustainably, is an excellent choice for environmentally conscious crafters. By selecting quality wood, you set the foundation for your creations. Tools and techniques. Equipping yourself with the right tools is crucial for successful woodworking. Basic tools like saws, sanders, and drills can help you start small projects without a hefty investment. As you gain confidence, you might explore more advanced tools. Familiarizing yourself with woodworking techniques such as joinery, sanding, and finishing will enhance your craftsmanship. Mastering these skills can lead to smoother edges, stronger joints, and a professional finish. Working with scrap wood. One of the most appealing aspects of small-scale woodworking is the opportunity to work with scrap wood. Utilizing leftover pieces from larger projects not only minimizes waste, but also encourages creativity. You can create charming items like coasters, small decor pieces, or even functional items like hooks and trays. This practice not only saves money, but also promotes sustainability in your crafting journey. The benefits of mini woodworking. Mini woodworking is a niche that appeals to many crafters. Creating smaller items allows for intricate designs, offering a satisfying challenge. Projects like miniature furniture, tiny decor items, or even dollhouse accessories can be both enjoyable and rewarding. Mini woodworking also provides an excellent platform to refine your skills, perfect for those just starting. Crafting for profit. As you develop your woodworking skills, you may consider turning your hobby into a small business. Small furniture and decor items can be marketed effectively through local craft fairs, online platforms, or social media. Crafting for profit allows you to share your creations with a broader audience while generating income. Understanding your target market and pricing your items appropriately is key to success. Marketing your creations. Marketing is a vital component of selling handmade wooden items. Building an online presence through social media platforms and a personal website can help showcase your work. High-quality photographs, engaging descriptions, and compelling storytelling about your crafting journey can attract potential buyers. Participating in local markets or collaborating with other artisans can also boost visibility and sales. Environmental considerations. Sustainability plays a significant role in today's woodworking landscape. As a beginner crafter, considering the environmental impact of your materials is essential. Sourcing wood from sustainable suppliers or using reclaimed wood can reduce your ecological footprint. Additionally, educating yourself about environmental practices in woodworking can resonate with eco-conscious consumers, enhancing your brand's appeal. The joy of creating functional decor. Creating functional decor pieces can add value to your woodworking projects. Items like small tables, shelves, or organizers not only serve a purpose, but also enhance the aesthetic of a space. By focusing on functionality, you can attract customers looking for practical solutions. This approach allows your projects to stand out in a crowded market. Emphasizing quality and craftsmanship. Quality is paramount in woodworking. As a beginner, striving for high standards in your projects will set you apart. Invest time in learning proper techniques and take pride in your workmanship. Attention to detail, from sanding edges to applying finishes, can significantly impact the final product. High-quality items are more likely to attract repeat customers and positive reviews. Community and collaboration. Engaging with the woodworking community can be invaluable for your growth. Joining local or online groups provides opportunities to share experiences, seek advice, and collaborate on projects. Learning from more experienced woodworkers can accelerate your skill development. These connections can lead to new ideas, partnerships, and even friendship in your crafting journey. Expanding your skills. As you gain confidence, consider expanding your woodworking skills by taking on more complex projects. Experimenting with different techniques, such as carving or inlay work, can add depth to your creations. Online tutorials, workshops, and classes can provide guidance and inspiration. Continuous learning is essential for growth and can lead to more advanced opportunities in woodworking. The satisfaction of completion. Completing a woodworking project brings immense satisfaction. The process of transforming raw wood into a finished piece is rewarding and fulfilling. Each project serves as a tangible representation of your skills and creativity. Celebrating these accomplishments, no matter how small, can motivate you to tackle new challenges and refine your craft further. The journey ahead. Embarking on a small-scale woodworking journey as a beginner crafter opens up a world of creativity and opportunity. By understanding the materials, honing your skills, and considering sustainability, you can create beautiful and functional pieces. Whether you choose to craft for personal enjoyment or profit, the journey of woodworking is one of continuous growth and exploration. With dedication and passion, you can carve a niche for yourself in the wonderful world of woodworking. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and hope you found the content valuable and inspiring for your woodworking journey. If you enjoyed what you saw and would like to stay updated with more tips, projects, and ideas, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us continue to create engaging content for fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends or family who might also be interested in diving into the world of woodworking. Together, we can foster a community of creativity and craftsmanship. Happy crafting!